Hey, did you hear about the incident at the construction site yesterday? Apparently, there was a structural failure due to faulty welding.
That's concerning. Proper welding inspection is crucial to ensure the safety and integrity of any welded structure.
I'm not too familiar with welding inspection. What does it involve?
Welding inspection is the process of evaluating the quality and soundness of welded joints and components. It's a critical step to identify any defect or issues before they lead to potential failures.
I can imagine it's a complex process. How do inspectors go about it?
It involves various techniques, both visual and non-destructive testing methods. Visual inspection checks for obvious flaws like cracks, undercuts, or porosity. Then, methods like radiography, ultrasonic testing, or dye-penetrant inspection are used to detect internal defect.
That sounds like a lot of work. Is welding inspection required for all welded structures?
Absolutely. Welding inspection is mandatory for critical applications like bridges, pipelines, pressure vessels, and structures in industries like aerospace, construction, and manufacturing. It ensures they meet the required safety standards and codes.
I can see why it's so important, especially after hearing about that incident. But who performs these inspections?
Welding inspections are typically carried out by certified welding inspectors. They undergo rigorous training and certification programs to acquire the necessary knowledge and skills to evaluate weld quality effectively.
It's reassuring to know that there are professionals dedicated to ensuring the safety and reliability of welded structures.
Welding inspection is an essential part of the quality control process in fabrication. It helps prevent potential disasters and ensures that welded components meet the highest standards of safety and performance.